Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we are installing a battery in a 2012 Toyota Yaris. For this project, you will need a 10mm socket to disconnect the positive and the negative terminal first. Start off by taking off the positive terminal. Use your 10mm ratchet to make sure that bolt is all the way screwed off. On this type of particular vehicle, you would need like a flathead screwdriver to try to get this positive terminal off on this battery, because it has been kind of stuck in here for a while. It's been a while for this battery has been changed. One trick, when you have a terminal that is kind of like stuck on a battery post that's kind of giving you a little hard trouble to take off, you can try to wiggle it a little bit, like turn it back and forth, left to right, left to right, left to right. But the easiest thing to do is you want to find you a flathead screwdriver, and then you want to return and use that flathead screwdriver to try to lift up on the back end and the front of the post itself. Once you do that, it'll kind of free the battery terminal up a little bit. Then you'll be able to wiggle it and get it off. As demonstrated right here in the video, just slightly slick your flathead underneath. So we got that taken off. So we're going to insert the battery back into a vehicle. Today we are installing this vehicle is a group size 26R, which is from Battery Guyz with a Z, the world's best reconditioned battery itself. Once you get that battery snug fit back into the battery box, you can start with either or, your negative terminal or your positive terminal. So we're going to go ahead and install the negative terminal first, and we're going to tighten that up. We're also going to put on the positive terminal as well. Once you get those back onto the post itself, you can use your 10mm wrench or socket and tighten up those bolts. We also got another step too. We got to put the battery bracket back onto this battery itself. And you want to kind of like snug that little top piece of the bracket underneath that battery handle. Once you get that on there, you got to make sure you get those hooks that's underneath the battery box itself. You want to hook it and then stick it underneath the top part of the battery bracket. Once you get that hook underneath, you gotta watch it because it will fall as well. So just take your time and get that hook underneath the battery box itself. Stick it in there. Once you get that, you get your screw and screw it with your fingers at first. But as you see right now, our technician is having a little technical issues of trying to hook the battery bracket back onto itself. He finally got it done. Now you want to use your finger to get it started. Okay, now you can use your 10mm socket and tighten up the negative terminal and then your positive terminal as well. Just turn it clockwise as demonstrated right here in the video. It's very simple to do. Or if you don't have a ratchet, you also can use a 10mm socket as well, or a wrench. And it's your first time visiting Battery Guyz with a Z. If we added value today, please like the video, share the video, leave a comment as well. We are uploading daily videos of all makes and model vehicles and all other kind of cool things we do here on the channel as well, like solar, marine, golf cart. We are the world's best experts in reconditioned batteries as seen on TV. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the notification of the bell. That would give you a notification when we upload a new video on a daily basis as well. So once you get your bolts tightened up, the last bolt we tighten right now is the battery bracket itself. And that's also too is a 10mm bolt. So all you need is a 10mm socket or wrench to actually complete this whole job for this 2012 Toyota Yaris. And if you need a battery itself, you want to save yourself 50% cost, jump over to our website, batteryguyzwithaz.com, and get this same battery shipped directly to your house or business under $120. Free shipping, cheaper than going to the national auto part chain as well. We do offer up to a 2-year warranty as well. And this is how you install a battery in a 2012 Toyota Yaris.